With just over 1 hour left before BitCountry Pioneer will be announced the winner of auction 13 on Kusama, just over 208,000 KSM contributions have been pushed, which is amazing as it would be the first to almost max out its cap from the third batch of these Kusama Crowdloans. This tells us the metaverse trend hype is real. Next up, Quartz with 42,000 contributions, which will definitely break 50,000 Kusama later this week, considering they'll be the top, which would put them at an advantage for winning auction 14. For auction 15, the favorite to win is Genshiro, who moved up to the third position in the ranks and got almost 23,000 KSM contributions. Looking at the Polkadot auctions, Acala is still the very first one and kicking with almost $8.5 million in contributions, very likely to break 10 million before even the auctions begin on the 11th of November. Moonbeam at almost 5 million, Aster at 846,000, and 3 new ones have joined the fund. Moonriver Network with just over 68,000 contributions, Clover and SubDAO. I know I said I'll do a video comparing these crowdloans to let you know which is the most advantageous in terms of rewards, and I'll try and get that done for tomorrow's video because it's quite some work. And before we continue on, I'd like to thank today's video sponsors DAOLaunch for sponsoring this video. So let's watch this short clip and then I'll continue on. This video is sponsored by DAOLaunch. DAOLaunch is all about the future of venture funding. Have you ever wanted to launch your own token sale with your own tokenomics, but things were not so easy because you needed to be techie? That's where DAOLaunch comes into play. They're helping both token creators who have an idea for their token and also regular investors who want to take part in the token sales. DAOLaunch have created a dashboard which allows you to create, manage, and take part in the token sales, as we can see in this image. You can set up the requirements yourself, everything is configurable, and aside from that, it's multi-chain. There's also a pie chart which shows you how the tokenomics are set up, including team or private investor lockup, which are all configurable in the dashboard. The team are also mentioned on their website, so you can check them out for more information at DAOLaunch.net, which can be found in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. The long-awaited moment, Moonriver's finally on Binance, and I've called it many times in previous videos, especially in the last one where I saw Moonriver was given as a warm-up bonus in rewards for contributing to Moonbeam on Binance, which was a clear sign to me. What's weird is that the dump that Binance welcomed Moonriver with, going from a new all-time high of $540 on the very first candle when trading started to just about holding around the $400 area. I was expecting higher price pops on Binance, but maybe it doesn't have that effect that it used to have. Or maybe some whales are waiting to offload Moonriver on this Binance listing, who knows. Perhaps insiders who pumped it to over 400 to begin with were waiting to get out. Moonriver also mentioned it on Twitter, which got over 2,100 likes, so the community is happily embracing the exchange listing, providing Moonriver with more liquidity and volume. Now what's great about this is that it will help the price even more with every bullish announcement. SushiSwap is also live on Moonriver. After waiting so long is there, Moonriver token holders will be able to use Sushi's DeFi capabilities to swap, earn stack yields, lend and borrow. Also, someone in the Bifrost community on Telegram posted this image and caught my attention. We all suspected Binance to want to list Bifrost because of the Crowdloan participation, but I thought it won't happen until they actually win an auction on Polkadot. Also, Bifrost will use the same token, which will probably use some sort of teleport method between Kusama and Polkadot, so be prepared to see some more liquidity and volume for Bifrost, which is always welcomed. Also, for those of you using FTX, the old Blockfolio app on your phone to check your portfolio balance, Bifrost has been added, so you can add that to your portfolio too. Bifrost is also shown on the mobile version of Binance, but it's in suspended mode, so we'll see what updates we'll get soon. Also, to end this video with Darwinia's Crowdloan update, Darwinia's strategy is attracting contributors by allocating a share of 200 million ring and 8,000 Katon to contributors on Polkadot when their Crowdloan will launch. More details can be found on Darwinia's Twitter page and Telegram channel. That's been it from today's video. Thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.